Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In today's English workshop, we are going to see how to solve the English workshop today. So we have column 1, column B. So we have to match column A with their meaning in column B. So we have phrases here and we have meaning. So we have to match this. So first one is looking out for, means trying to search for, face to face, in front of each other, summon up courage, try to breathe, rage melted, anger reduced, be moved by, filled with soft feeling. And the B one is read the following sentence from the story. We have 3 sentences here, 1, 2, 3, and every underline sentence we have to find the meaning of that from this ABC options. So first sentence is they were bound by law to obey their master. Second, the kind man bound up the lion injured paw. The lion bounded towards Androcles again. So the word bound carries 3 different meanings. Word is bound, but every bound has 3 different meaning. So first one is bound by law. Bound by law means forced to follow. Then second one is bound up. Bound up means tied up. Then third one is bound towards. Bound towards, rush forward. So 3 bound has 3 different meaning. So we can translate that into English, Urdu. They were bound by law to obey their master. वो अपने आका की फरमाबरदारी करने के लिए कानूनन पाबंद है. The kind man bound up the lion injured paw. उस रहमदिल आदमी ने शेर के जख्मी पंजे को कस कर बांधा. The lion bound towards the Androcles again. शेर ने दोबारा एंड्रोकल्स की तरफ छलांग लगाई. Okay. Now the second A is you have to write the autonomous. Autonomous, opposite words. So first one is kind. So the kind has opposite cruel, poor, wealthy, slave, master, high, low, punishment, reward, unbound, bound, tender, tough, happy, unhappy.